Hello! In today's video, I would like to show you how you can use the classic granny square, or if that is the only granny square you know how to make and you're very comfortable in making, and just add something to it to make it a bit different, but still be an easy granny square to make. Let's get to it. Today I'm using my double knit cotton yarn in these colors and my 3.5mm hook. Instead of a magic circle, I like to start with a chain 4 and a slip stitch. Chain 4 and slip stitch to the first chain. This forms a circle. In this circle now, we are going to half double crochet 6 times. Pull on the tail and slip stitch to this next stitch to finish this round. Now we need to fasten off because we will change colors. Make a slip knot and add the new color through any of the stitches from your already worked circle. And this round we will make a lot of chains. So chain 9, and single crochet back in the same space you started. This forms a petal. We need to make 12 of these petals. Next, chain 9 again. And in the next stitch, work a slip stitch. Then work a chain 9 and slip stitch back into the same space. And slip stitch back. And repeat this until you have 12 petals. Once your flower is finished, you can weave in or knot the tail ends so they don't get in the way on your next round. Next round, start with a slip knot and join in the top stitch. Pull through, make a single crochet. This row is very simple. We chain 2 and then single crochet in top of a petal. Chain 2, single crochet on top of a petal. Try to keep the chains a little loose so that the next row won't pull it too tight and then it's not going to be a very nice square. And repeat this all around. When you reach the end of this round, slip stitch in the first stitch you started. And starting from this row, it should be quite easy if you already know how to do granny squares. If not, you can learn now, no worries. So, because we are here, I want to be in the center of the chain space. We are going to work chain 5, and then this is gonna count as a 1 double crochet and a chain 2, and then in the same chain space I want to work 3 more double crochets. This will be a corner. If you don't know how to make a granny square and you would like to learn, I will link a video to make it even easier to find it. Double crochet 3 times in the next chain space, then double crochet 3 times in the next chain space, now it's time to make another corner, so double crochet 3 times in the next chain space, then chain 2 and work another 3 double crochets in the same space. And this is one side. And then continue 3 double crochets in this chain space, 3 here, and then another corner, and then 2 more sides. And we finish this round by working 2 double crochets in the same chain space from the start. So 1, 2 double crochets, and then counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you work a slip stitch to close this round. And starting from this point, you can make the granny square as big as you want. At least make one more row to give it a better square shape, and you can stop there, or you can make it bigger. You can make cardigans, you can make whatever you like. So like the granny square, next step is go through the chain space, work a slip stitch, and then again chain 5, that counts like 1 double crochet and a chain 2, double crochet 3 times into the chain space to form the corner. And then we are going to work in the spaces between the 3 double crochets. To make the square bigger, you just need to work as many groups of 3 double crochets as you need. See, we had here 3. Now we had here two, then we are going to have here 3 until we reach the corner. Wherever you have spaces between the double crochets, you make more on top, and then when you reach the corner, you just work 6 double crochets with a 2 chain in the middle in the same chain space. To finish this round, just like the previous one, work 2 double crochets in the first chain space, and then slip stitch in the top here, and that's it. You can finish here, fasten off the yarn, weave in all the ends. I don't know why, but I think I made it a bit too loose. You can block it. You can either leave it to dry block or apply some water, and then use it for whatever project you were planning on doing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!